And is it harder to report on difficult stories like this as a woman journalist versus being a man journalist, or would it be harder for the man because, they would be subject to maybe a lot more once it's published?
I think it's actually, I find it a little easier as a woman in some ways, because for stories like this, in a society, sadly, in a chauvinistic society like this, men either they don't take you seriously or they don't think it's going to be such a risk talking to you. So they will, and there's that element of trying to, some of them try to do a little grandstanding as well. So you get a lot of interesting quotes
That's a
through
huge
that.
benefit.
So it can be a benefit, yeah. And there have been times that I've been, I was told that वो खातून आई थी तो बड़ी खतरनाक निकली. I was like, yeah, that's why.
So it's easier on the collection.
On the collection, yeah.
On the
People are kind of a little more willing to talk to you. Except I found, I did a lot of stories on sectarian violences when I was in New Zealand. And I found it very difficult to deal with the police. They're like, oof, if this society is chauvinistic, they're like, really, yeah, next level. So, yeah, it's difficult to talk to them.
Which organization did you find it easiest to talk to over the years consistently?
Organization, I can't really, this thing. But, I mean, my favorite go-to, this thing, are the ordinary folks. They are, it's very easy to speak with them and sort of...
The honorary folks, like who?
No, I mean, like, people on the ground.
Oh, the ordinary folks.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So because they just want to tell a story.
Yeah, but exactly. But and then from them they'll tell you about other people, and so you get to know a whole network of people who are kind of invested in that story. But organizations, police is the most difficult. That's for sure. Yeah. And any of these they don't talk to you. They won't respond. I remember a colleague of mine who moved to the UK. I remember she told me, the most interesting thing I found here is that when I call these whatever, the police or the local politician, whatever, they always get back to you. So it's really weird for me to get used to that, because that doesn't happen here. It's so difficult. Maybe in TV it does.
Yeah.
But when you're doing something like this, they never get back to you.